Tasty Ivygourd stir-fry recipe. This recipe is usually served along with rice for best taste. One of the best Ivygourd recipes to try. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 1 small chopped onion, 1 teaspoon chilli flakes. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. After 3 minutes, keep it low flame. Then add a pinch of turmeric powder and mix it for a minute. Now add 250 grams of Ivygourd cut into small round pieces like this. Also add 2 center slit green chili, some curry leaves, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Then add 2 tablespoons water and close the lid. Cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, we can open the lid. Add 1 teaspoon pepper powder and mix it well. Cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Stir every 30 seconds in between to avoid burning. After 5 minutes, we can switch off the flame. Our tasty Ivygourd stir-fry recipe is ready. This recipe is very tasty when served along with rice.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.